blowing beans, sipping on a daily basis. Quick to hop out on your block and big faces, and slamming open spaces, looking good and standing tall. Beating down your block, knocking pictures off your wall. I come around your block, turning heads and riding slow.
This is Mr. Boom Bam, and we are at the new Trill Burger location in Spring, Texas. Guys, we are about to try out these Trill Burgers. I ain't never had them before, but I'm about to pull up and check it out. We're gonna do a taste test at the house. Y'all let me know. It's packed right now. We in H-Town. It's going down. Alright, y'all, so I'm waiting to go get this burger. We're gonna drive up. We're about to drive up. Boom, bam! We're about to drive up to the drive-thru. Let's see what they got on this menu. Let's see. Yeah, yeah.
Thank you for choosing Trill. What we get for you?
All right, let me get the OG burger combo.
You said OG combo?
Yeah.
What kind of drink?
Let me get the strawberry lemonade. Yeah, and then the triple OG burger combo.
What kind of drink?
Let me get the regular lemonade with that one. Boom, bam, we done picked up the order, guys. We got these big drinks. They don't even fit in the cup holder, man. It's going down. Can't wait till I get home. I got it sitting in the seat. Boom, bam. I am Mr. Boom Bam, and you are here tuning in to Everyday Living with C&D. And today we have the pleasure of trying out some Trill Burgers, baby. I'm from H-Town, and I've never had Trill Burgers. Well, come with me now, baby. We got to zoom in on this and give it the proper H-Town go down. So we got the lemonade here, baby. Zoom in on this. Some big lemonade, baby. It's big. I couldn't even fit it in my cup holder. I went through the drive-thru. I'm like, man, what is this? Hold on, baby. We got this is like what you get some noodles in. But hey, it's about to go down. A big cup. It's going down H-Town style, baby, with the big straw. We got the fresh lemons in here. Take a look at that, baby. Zoom in on that. Let them see what's going down. It look good, don't it, boo?
Yeah, it does.
All right, then my wife, I got her the strawberry lemonade. You can see all this lemon peels and the strawberry and the lemons. Hey, it's about to go down. We're gonna test it out. So zoom in on that and let them see that. Gonna turn it around. Man, look at that. That box is so cool. Look at that. They got the bag with the Trill Burgers on there. Then open it up. Hey, look at that. H-Town style. I like that, baby. That box is clean. Look at that, baby. Open up the box. It got the smash burger in there. This is the OG on top of the fries. This is my wife's burger. The triple OG. And this is the bigger one with the fries. So we got the lemonade here. I'm gonna try hers. Man, that's good. It has some thick pieces of lemon. I don't know, am I tasting some pineapple?
Probably
or something like that, or some pieces. So yeah, some pieces of strawberry all mixed in with there. You can see the big pulp. If you look in, so a lot going on. It tastes good. Oh, that's fresh homemade lemonade. I like that. I can taste the lime, the lemon, and it's hitting, it's popping, it's smacking. It got some tingling to it, and it got a little slight sugar. It don't have like no Kool-Aid taste to it, so I'm liking that. It's refreshing, it's light, it's boom bamming. All right, it's going down. All right, get up in there and get that baby. Yeah, baby, get that baby. I'm too amped, I'm too crunk, baby. Yeah, I'm crunk, I'm amped, it's going down. Y'all don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you like this video. So it's smashed. We got 3 smashed burgers on here. We got the bun. Look at the wrapper. Then we got the fries. All right, I'm gonna start with the fry first. Okay. so it has like a little crisp crust to it. So it's like not like a regular fry. It has a little crispy crust to it. Man, this thing is hitting. It's going down. Kind of giving me the shivers. I think I'm loving it, baby. Oh yeah, I like these. Perfect seasoning. Yeah. Yeah. And it give you a nice amount. It's melting in my mouth. Oh, it has some sauce in it. Oh man, it's good. It's smooth, it's buttery. It's melting in my mouth, it's going down. Hold up, baby. I wasn't expecting that. Look at that. They smashed it up so good. It has like some Trill sauce on it, some pickles. And you know what, baby, I'm loving it. I'm loving it. I'm gonna definitely have to get the triple OG every time. Man, I'm liking it. I like the way that the bun melts in my mouth. Have a little sweetness to the bun. The pickles. I love these grilled onions. And the onions are kind of sweet. It's not an overwhelming onion. You know, some onions are overwhelmingly strong. Nah, it's hitting, baby. And I love this lemonade. I was just dogging it a few minutes ago. I love the burger. It's smashed nicely. I love the presentation. The box. Bun is popped out on there. The fries.
Let's see that box again. Yeah. Okay.
I love the originality of the box. I love the Texas style. I love the way it's smashed. The onions are not strong and overwhelming. The burger, the cheese is melted really good. It got the sauce right here and it's hitting, man. And I want you guys to like, comment, share, subscribe. If you watch this video, baby, it ain't nothing to it but to do it, to hit that like button, to hit that subscribe button, and join the Boom Bam fam, baby. You gotta join the Boom Bam fam. Cause if you ain't joining the Boom Bam fam, I don't know what the hell you doing, baby. It's going down. I'm in here representing, and yeah!
With a pocket full of money, but I got to get more. Staying ingrained, my body insane. Gas I swoop from lane to lane. To be 10 without banging, like a piece without a chain. Drop me, knock me, but that kind of stuff don't stop me. Since wanna be a ball, I got the real, wanna watch me. Don't hate, just wait for me to skate down your street. Ball guy smoking sweet, but Benjamin Franklin's on my feet. Ball fade, hit of a shade, never afros and braids. Big sack and a can of raid, cause all roaches getting sprayed.